Hi, I'm Molly, and these are my dogs.
My dogs, like all dogs, love sleeping, and this presents a problem because their beds get ridiculously dirty and I have to wash them all the time. This is me doing laundry. You have to take the yucky, hairy cover off, and because I live in San Francisco, this means lugging all my laundry up a super huge hill. The bed covers are always at the top of the laundry pile because they have to go right back on. I started to think there has to be a better way. What if I had extra covers for the dog beds like I do for my own bed?
My heart gives a chill, I feel such a thrill. My feet won't keep still when they swing that music. Rhythm like that puts me in a trance. Or you can't blame me for wanting to dance. From what I understand, it must be just grand.